Hi kids, it's the year 2049. But back in 2013, 2014, this is how BD and IGCDP met. At JNC 2013, we first introduced how important it is to do sales and in IGCDP projects and the importance of selling these projects in our local environment. Then at NSC in 2013, we introduced how financial sustainability is the prime focus of our projects and how we need to be able to sell them to sustain our program. At NLS is when we introduced the business model concept and how that is a basic framework around which we need to work our projects. Moving on, right now, and this video is more about how we're clarifying the role of the VPBD and the VPI GCDPs at the local level, how they need to work together, take ownership of the project sale, and make this happen for yourselves. Here's the role and responsibility of VPBDs, or how we see it, work locally for you guys. The first is project packaging. VPBDs locally need to be involved aggressively in how the project is being packaged so that it can be sold to your prospective customers in the best possible manner. The second is train IGCDP folks. We have to be responsible to train people how sales is done, the sales process, the sales research, and more importantly, how to conduct yourselves at meetings, the follow-ups, and the most important part, of course, closing the deal. Yeah, the VPBDs and the business development department need to not only be adept in this knowledge but also be able to communicate this to the rest of them in the best possible manner. For the same, you had just went through an SDB program which was amazing, I'm sure. So take cues from that and move along. The third is find business propositions. A lot of environments sometimes do not support community development project sales, and it becomes a little difficult to sell the project directly with regards to its impact. This is when the VPBDs come in and say and figure specific propositions within the framework of the project that they can sell to prospective clients. What does this include? This includes events that are run part of the project. This includes induction, EP induction conferences, start and finish. And lastly, it also includes fundraisers that you can use. Last is use networks. VPBDs have a lot of networks. You guys need to be using this aggressively to help the VPIGCDP guys out for the sales. What is this network? IGIP clients, your current BD clients, your alumni, your board. There are a bunch of them that you can use, and I strongly recommend that you use it so that we can support IGCDP making these sales happen.
Hello IGCDP VPs. So now we're going to talk about what is the role and responsibility of a VP IGCDP along with VPBD to make sure that your projects are sellable. Of course, there's no denying the fact that how important it is for us to sell our projects so that we can sustain our operations, right? Yeah, so it all starts with project planning, which is the first and the most crucial step. We all know about business model implementation. What you need to do here is you need to define the value proposition of your project while you're planning the project, because that is what is going to be the sellable part of the project. Also at the same time define the activities, the timelines, and what kind of issues you would be catering to under project planning. Please ensure that you're planning according to the business model canvas and your VPBD is closely involved with you during this planning. Yeah. For second, please provide sales resources. It is your responsibility to make sure that you provide sales resources to your VPBD. These resources include previous impact reports, the timelines, activities, and any other information that can help in selling the project. Yeah. The third part is meetings and delivery. You are required to go with your VPBD whenever needed or to go yourself for the leads that VPBDs are generating for you to do the sales for IGCDP projects. At the same time, it is important for you to deliver and deliver really well on what has been sold to the clients. Yeah. Now talking about the fourth part, which is tracking and showcasing. In terms of tracking and showcasing, this part is again very crucial. And why? Because if you do not track the impact, How will you track what is the deliverable that you had promised to the client? And if you are not showcasing it, how are you going to re-raise again from the same client? So please make sure that these 4 things are happening really well from your end. Okay, cool. So guys, through this survey that all VP BDs and VPs IGCDP filled that we sent out, we could gauge a lot of things, and we came to one conclusion that currently in ISEC India, with respect to the market, there are 2 kind of scenarios. One, if your market is supportive, and the other, if your market is untapped. And now I'm going to move into the scenarios and tell you how you can go about in case your LC is following into any of these 2 scenarios. In case if your market is supportive, that's great. Like you're the lucky guys out there. Your impact is highly sellable. Your projects are really sellable. What you need to do is just go out there and make it happen. If your market is supportive, there is definitely a very high potential for sales. So you need to, for VPBDs, like a major part of your ER income can come by selling IGCP projects. In this case, most of the LCs that we've seen that are falling under this category are also doing a very high volume of exchange, like more than 150 plus exchanges. In that case, this makes your projects all the more sellable, because the more number of internationals are coming down, the more is your outreach, and it makes it more sellable. Yeah. Now coming to the other scenario, which is in case if your market is untapped, which is sadly very true for a lot of LCs in ISEC India. Guys, you do have a very untapped market, so please make sure that you are tapping onto it in the beginning months of your term. Yeah. If your market is untapped, we need to move into more of alternate means of sales. Here, just selling projects does not work. So what could be the other alternate means of selling? Events, fundraisers. You can club your projects with events, or you can do a fundraiser at, say, like a stakeholder summit that your LC is doing, where you can generate funds for IGCP. Conferences. You can host a lot of EP conferences, which can also be a very good source of revenue generation. Impact. Yes, guys, the only thing that is sellable is impact, for sure. If nothing else, impact is one thing that will definitely sell. So in this market, you guys need to figure out and create more propositions in synergy with VPBD, where you can use alternate means of selling. We really hope that this has given you a better insight as to how you can go about. Please pick and choose what is the reality of your LC and accordingly make it happen. Thank you.
So kids, this was the story of how IGCDP and BD met back in the day. I hope this helped and it gave you some insight about how you can take things forward from here. We wish you the very, very best in your endeavor to make this happen, and peace.